Okay, in this lesson we're going to look at installing a bit of software called cLion for processing C++ for this unit. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go online and I'm going to go to a website called JetBrains. So I'm just going to put JetBrains in and search for it. And here you'll see the JetBrains site. Now this is free for all you guys with your student accounts. So what I want you to do is you can go log in. Now I can log in using this. You can register using your student email address. You should get free licenses for all of this software. So I'm just going to sign in. So what you get is you get this. You get an educational license, and there's your license ID there, and you can get all this software with it. If you're doing PHP Storm, Web Storms for HTMLs, JavaScript, that sort of stuff. But the one I'm interested in is cLion. So once you've signed up and got your account set up, you can click on cLion. And what I'm going to do is click on download. And download the executable file. Now I've got a Windows machine, but you can download it for other devices as well. So I'm just going to click on download, and you'll see it downloads there down the bottom left. I'll pause the video and let this download. It'll take a few seconds. Okay, so that's it downloaded. Now it probably took about a minute or so, it just depends on your internet connection. And I'm just going to open up a cLion installation. So you just say yes to making changes, and then it starts walking you through. It's a fairly standard installation. I'm just going to put this on my D drive just because I've got more room on my D drive. And I'm just going to make a folder called JetBrains. There's one there. Click on OK and click on Next. Now this bit here, you can create a desktop launcher, and I'm just going to add all of my. I've not got any other programming software on at the moment, so I'm just going to add all of my create associations. CPP is the one we'll be interested in for C++. So click on Next and then Install. And it just takes you through the installation. Again, it will take a wee minute, and I'll just again pause the video, save you sitting watching all this installing. Okay, so that's it installed. Click on Finish, and you'll see here I installed the shortcut on my desktop, so I'm just going to double click on that, and it'll open up. Okay, and I'm just going to say I had a previous version installed, but I'm not going to import the settings. Click on OK. And it takes a wee minute booting up. Now, what you've got here, it's quite a nice clean interface. We can open up a project, but I'm just going to make a new project. And I'm just going to go for C++ executable, that's fine. Now you'll see there, it's got entitled 1, I'm just going to call it test 1 up there. And click on create. And again, it takes a wee second, but it sets up the environment. Now you get a tip of the day type thing, which can be useful, can also be a wee bit annoying. So I'm just going to click on don't show tips there and click on close. Now, nice and handy, it gives us a program that comes up right away, and that we can try and run this. So I can click in the program, and you'll see up here there is a run. So if I click on run, it runs the program, it builds the program and it runs it, and you'll see hello world there is the output. Now don't worry too much about these lines of code up here, that I'm going to take you through that and what they all mean. But at this point we have got the program running, so if you've got it saying hello world down here, then you've successfully installed your cLion and set up your JetBrains account.